This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.